Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, luggage rack. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.